Welcome back, guys, for part 2. This is Tiffany. Welcome back to Living Lux on Half the Bucks. And this is part 2 of the January monthly printable happy planner setup. So the earlier video, part 1, was me cutting it. And now this is part 2. Everything that I've cut now is going to be just laid out, and pretty much I have, the adhesive sticker backings on these. So we're just gonna go ahead and set everything up inside the printable, inside the planner for the monthly planner for January. So just to let you know again, the Etsy shop that I use to get this printable from is Design Lovely Studios. I'm going to link them in the description box below, and I'll also put the actual listing for those that may want to purchase the January printable. Of course, January just passed, but for next year, definitely, I know it's available. Beautiful set, nice colors. I love the blue and the pink and the grayish silver theme that's going on, and it's a winter theme, so I definitely love that. I'm not gonna hang on here too long. I really just wanted to say hi to everybody and welcome to part 2. And pretty much you just watch me put everything all together, and that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for coming to part 2. If you have any questions, comments, please comment below. And definitely I will answer any questions that you guys may have. Also, like, share, and subscribe. Sharing is caring. And I am preparing another video right now for the February month. And also I have a couple of weekly printables that I have set up, and I'm still working on those, so just stay tuned. I have some more things coming. And thank you so much again for coming. I'm just gonna let this all ride on so you get to see the rest of the video without me talking. So thank you again so much, and everybody have a great rest of your day, or right now it's the weekend for me, so if you're watching this, have a great weekend. Take care. Love you all. Bye.